program. So Mike Emanuel with where the program now stands. Mike?
Well, hi, Jenna. Another blow in the future of U.S. manned spaceflight is seriously up in the air following the retirement of the space shuttle and now funding fights here on Capitol Hill. The House Science Committee voted to eliminate all spending on a manned mission to an asteroid, which was a key component of President Obama's space exploration program through 2025. In a NASA funding bill with a price tag of $16.8 billion, lawmakers are telling NASA they are not allowed to proceed with the asteroid project. Lawmakers are pushing NASA to lay out steps in order to get a mission eventually to Mars in the next 20 years or so. The chairman of the House Science Committee told us his reasoning.
It's a fiscal issue because it's $2.5 billion that we can better spend elsewhere, particularly in this era of budget constraints. But it's a misguided effort, too. It's just sort of a waste of resources, a waste of talent. And NASA's own advisory committee recommended against it. So I don't know what the administration is up to other than just throwing something out there. But we need to come up with better programs than this.
But a key House Democrat who is actively pushing for more money for NASA says it is critical.
If the United States wants to lead, if we want a true innovation agenda for the 21st century, then we have to make the kind of robust investments in space, in our launch vehicles, in the technology, in earth sciences, in the multi-mission function of NASA as a space exploration agency in order to make that happen.
The Senate has an $18.1 billion NASA funding bill, but these days on Capitol Hill, with debt being such a huge concern, funding fights are huge at this point. So beam me up, Jenna.
I was going to say, I guess all your future reporting gigs are going to be firmly in Washington, D.C. so
Absolutely.
far. Great to have you, Mike. Thank you.
Thank
Appreciate
you.
that. And thank you for joining us. Have a great weekend. Now to my favorite group of folks, the Five, is next.